We're going to reveal 9 painstakingly studied assets in today's video that have the potential to help you achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire. We have covered every little thing, from conventional investment vehicles to cutting-edge options. So keep watching if you're prepared to investigate the possibilities that might help you achieve financial success. Watch the video till the end, as the last asset is the best one. Now let's start. 1. Savings accounts. Even though interest-bearing savings accounts are dull, they are a reliable source of low-risk income. Your cash might generate interest in lieu of remaining in a high-fee bank account. You don't have to pay the majority of online banks to maintain your money because they provide free accounts. The initial deposit for each of these account options is $100, and they each have different interest rates and account benefits. A minimum recurring monthly deposit of $100 makes it possible for your savings to earn a higher interest rate, making the savings builder an attractive way to save small sums of money. Your long-term investments should be placed in assets with a larger growth potential because bank interest rates are lower than the yearly inflation rate. 2. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Although the interest rates on savings accounts are mediocre, they provide simple, penalty-free access to your money. Higher yields and little volatility are possible with bank certificates of deposit. Most of the top CDs have a 12-month or longer duration and a minimum $1,000 deposit requirement. If you use your cash before the CD's term is over, the majority of them impose an early withdrawal fee. A $1,000 minimum initial deposit is required for CIT Bank's 11-month no-penalty CDs. Your interest rate may be competitive with traditional CDs with comparable terms and no early withdrawal penalties. 3. Dividend stocks. Dividends that may be reinvested are one advantage of stock investing. In retirement, dividend income might be used to pay bills rather than stock sales. Your remaining amount is eligible for lower compound interest rates due to a declining portfolio value. Technology businesses with significant upside growth potential are an example of a class of stocks that do not always pay dividends. Dividend payments are more likely to be made by well-established companies including consumer goods, utilities, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. You already receive dividend income from your investments if they are S&P 500 index funds. If you want to know more investment options, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Bond funds. Bonds are an asset that also generates income. For the majority of people, investing in investment-grade index funds of corporate and governmental bonds is the best option. Your 401k, IRA, and taxable brokerage accounts are all places where you may purchase these funds. Although less volatile than stocks, bonds often offer weaker long-term growth potential. As a bondholder, you lend money to a business as opposed to becoming a shareholder by purchasing stock. Bondholders receive payment prior to shareholders in the event of bankruptcy. Younger investors should purchase some bonds, say the majority of financial counselors and robo-advisors. 5. Crowdfunded real estate. Real estate stocks and publicly traded real estate investment trusts, REITs, were the only options available until a few years ago for small-scale real estate investment. Although stock market turbulence may have an influence on share price, these funds can generate consistent dividend income. Direct investments in multifamily and commercial real estate are possible through crowdfunded real estate, even with little funds. With reduced volatility, you may get yearly returns of at least 5%, which are comparable to the S&P 500 stock market's average returns. To avoid early withdrawal fees, the majority of real estate platforms need investments made for at least 5 years. 6. Rental properties. Real estate investments in rental homes may also be excellent sources of income. A single-family rental house can be something you choose to purchase. The monthly rent from one side of a duplex might help to cover a vacancy on the other, thus they can both be beneficial. If you want to manage your rental unit yourself, owning a local rental property might be useful. In the event that your local market isn't a suitable fit, Roofstock may assist you in finding real estate in American cities. Adding variety to your present portfolio of rental properties is another way Roofstock may be used. 7. Farmland. Farmland may be one of the strongest sources of income, despite the fact that investing in it may seem unusual. You don't have to be from a farming family to benefit financially from this asset. Farmers who perform all of the grunt work may be lent money. Accredited investors can purchase shares on operating American farms through AcreTrader. The farmers' yearly rent payments and rising land values are opportunities for profit. Each offer specifies the expected rate of return and the length of ownership. Be warned that this asset may need a lengthier investment commitment and more money than other investments. Most programs have a minimum commitment of over $15,000 and a 3 to 10 year ownership duration. 8. Small business bonds. Most corporate bond ETFs are restricted to investing in big businesses. One of the finest sources of short-term income may also be found in small company bonds. 5.5% fixed yearly returns are provided by Worthy bonds for each note. Worthy bills have a duration of 36 months and may be purchased in $10 increments. Bond purchases and sales are free of charge, even if the 3-year maturity period is reached before the sale. Though each Worthy backs each bond with actual collateral to lessen your negative risk, this passive income strategy is not risk-free. Your investment is likely to remain profitable even if the borrower defaults. 9. Precious metals. Precious metals are one commodity that has recently drawn a lot of interest. Given that gold has been used as money for thousands of years, many investors are specifically searching for strategies to invest in it. Electronics and jewelry are only 2 examples of how industries use gold. But your most reliable investment choices will be precious metal bullions like coins and bars. Because it's simpler to determine a fair value for gold bullion than for consumer goods, it may also be simpler to sell as pure gold. Investments in silver, platinum, and palladium are also popular, although the prices of these metals commodities can fluctuate more than those of gold. Besides money, these metals are used in a wide range of industrial applications. These costs may fall sharply due to a drop in industry demand. That's all for this video. If you learned something new, then please hit the subscribe button and also press the like button. We have revealed all the 9 assets to invest in, so you must share this video with all of your friends. Comment below if you are having any queries. Thank you for watching.